In fact, it's kinda sorta strange. But that's okay. It's been strange for thousands of years, and nobody's been complaining. At SEASNAX, we love strange. It makes us laugh, it makes us smile, it makes us hungry. The crazy thing? These strange slices of goodness are actually becoming the norm. And that makes our hearts just as full as our tummies, which happens to be the point of it all. You see, SEASNAX is a snack, and we think snacks should be good and real and unmodified, and yet still ridiculously addictive, because these guys wouldn't have it any other way. Does that make us strange? We sure hope so.